All right, you're in the street, Tim. The plows are going to undo everything.
I don't get what they did.
If you want to do something helpful, go, like I said, go shovel out Bernie and Ruth so they can get their damn door open. What do you think about that, Barnaby? Are you excited? Are you all excited? Look at you wagging your tail. Huh? Don't have to worry about you running off. Can't get there. Is my car running? Tim, is my car running?
Yeah.
I thought so. I've had roofs caving in from the weight of the snow, but I think our roof is super. It's got struts and everything. Joyce is up in there. Tim clearing the driveway. He's got snow clear up to the top of the picket fence. He shoveled here and hasn't been back through. I'd say we got a good inch since he's ran the shovel along here. All right, Barnaby and Bart, come on inside. Barnaby, come on. Barnaby. There's some dummy. Yeah, I'm taking your picture because you're stupid. They said stay at home. People are getting stuck. Emergency vehicles aren't able to do their jobs. Barnaby and Bart! Where are you two at? You two doggykins? Hey, somebody pooped over here.
What?
They must have just did it. Yay! Outside. Thank you so much. I don't know whose that is, but thank you for the present. Outside. Bye, Bart. Let's go inside the house. Come on. Get out from underneath the Jeep. Come on, Bart. Are you going to poop under the Jeep? That's a good place to poop. You want a treat? Go inside? Bart! Want to go inside and get a treat? Come on, let's go. Inside. Come on. We're not going anywhere. He's just got the car running. Come on, let's go get a treat. I can't get him to go.